How to change the cursor size to medium or large on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. After click on Interaction and Dexterity, click on Assistant menu. After click on Assistant menu, scroll down to end. You will see last option is touchpad and cursor contact control. After click on touchpad and cursor control, you will see cursor sizes here. If you want to change cursor size, so if you want to change cursor size large, click on large. You will see cursor sizes change large. If you want to change cursor size medium, click on medium. So you will change cursor size large and medium from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change the cursor size to medium or large on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.